Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create some amazing melodies in FL Studio. Shout out to Chibi OG. He sent me some amazing drums, and we're gonna be using those drums to create some amazing melodies. So without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DAW and start working on this beat. So I'm just gonna play the drum groove, and quickly we're gonna go create some amazing guitar melodies, and let's try to make a beat. So I'm quickly just gonna play the drums so you guys hear what the drums sounds like. Yeah, some nice groovy drums. So I'm just gonna add some melodies, some body to what we have here already. All right, so quickly I'm just going to solo this percussion, and I'm just gonna bring that down a little bit because I feel like it's a bit high. All right, so this is what I'm just gonna use to create the melody for a start. So I'm just gonna solo that part or loop that part and just bring in my guitar VST, and the VST I'm gonna be using is gonna be from Contact, and it's called Electric Sunburst. So quickly I'm just load that up and let's go. So I'm just gonna be using the melody, the Electric Sunburst Deluxe, the melody part, and I'm just gonna create my first pattern, and let's call this melody. So I'm gonna play on the key of F sharp. So let's build them. Let's quickly just bring down the velocity down a little bit. Yeah, so let's go with this. I'm just chop this up. Then we go to the 6. Sorry, you go to the 3, and the 3 is just gonna be this. Let's shift it. Let's shift all these. Nice. I love how it's sounding. Then I'm just gonna select this same chord and just play our 2. And my 2 is gonna be yeah. I'm just gonna go back, to the 3. Yeah, nice. So, but I think it's a bit low, so I'm just gonna take it up like let's go 2 semitones. So let's go to this is G sharp A. Okay, so we're on the key of A now. Yeah, nice. So nice. So I have my basic chord progression. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna send this to my mixer and just add some nice effects. Add some nice effect on the guitar so it sounds really, really nice. So I'm gonna send it to my mixer, and I'm just gonna bring in let me bring in this Contact library called CLA Guitar. So I'm just gonna put that in, and let's see what it gives us. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to the electric preset, and let's go with power chords. Nice. So I feel like it's a bit louder than the percussion, so let me just turn it down a little bit. Then I'm gonna add RC color, just to give it some color. So I'm gonna use this, turn down the noise. Then next I'm gonna play some chords. I'm gonna be using Lounge Lizard electric piano. Yeah, nice. So I'm just gonna bring down the velocity down, and let me quantize everything. Yeah, I like this. Ooh, vibe. Yeah, so then I have this saxophone loop. I'm just gonna drag in and just try to fix it up, and let's see what the vibe is gonna be. So I have this nice saxophone loop. Shout out to Alaba, he played the sax. So hopefully now we should be on the right, we should be on the right key and tempo. So let's see. Yeah, I think we are on the right. Nice. So all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna load this preset for my sax, just to add some nice, some nice reverb and delay. Let me turn down the mix and the feedback a little bit. So let's hear what it sounds like. Yeah, so we can have this for our intro. So all I need to do now is to add some nice bass, and I'm gonna be using let's go with Trillian. I think we should go with Trillian bass, but I'm gonna be using this big and clicky. Let's see, yeah, big and clicky to make sure I'm on the right key, which is on the key of A. So, and let's create our bass pattern. So I'm just gonna turn it down a little bit, send it to my mixer, and just, yeah, just cut out some of the highs. Yeah, so this will have. Yeah, so I feel like we are all good to go. So let's turn it down. So I think I'm gonna add some nice pads, just to feel like, give it an atmosphere. You get? So let's see. So for that, I'm just gonna use Analog Lab 4. I'm gonna be using Analog Lab 4, and let's see. I'm just gonna use the sound I'm gonna use from Opia by Kill September. Just go, with the distraction. There's this preset I like called distraction. So I'm just gonna copy, the electric piano chords and just paste it, paste it over for the pads. Yeah. Yeah, let's just. Yeah, I like that. So I'm just gonna use my EQ to take some of the lows away. Yeah, okay, let's bring it for this part. Yeah, nice. Yeah, so I feel like it's still a bit light. So let me try to add like maybe an 808 bass. And I'm just gonna go to Colors Pack. I think we have some nice 808 over there, and let's see what we could add. Let me try this. So let's try to see if we could fix that. And my kick, where's my kick? Just take that. I think I might change this kick. Let's just change it. Let me bring my pretty limiter. Okay, so let me turn on, let me stand. think I prefer it without the. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I think like everything's coming in nice and put my soft clipper. Bring in the pads. So let's listen from the top finally. So guys, you can see how very easy it is to create some amazing melodies. In case you have a drum loop and you're struggling to create melodies, you could just start with your guitar plugin and build from there. So if you love this video, you're also gonna love this particular video. Yep, I love this. Or you could check out this. You're definitely gonna love one of these amazing videos. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.